Sydney Water's Every Drop Counts business program has conducted water efficiency audits in many hospitality businesses. These have shown that 30% of water used is wasted due to leaks. One of the most important roles you can play is to be on the lookout for these leaks and report them immediately. Reporting and repairing leaks is the cheapest way to save water. Think about this. A leaking hot water tap not only wastes water, it wastes the energy it takes to heat the water. Cleaners, kitchen and housekeeping staff all have a direct impact on water efficiency. Their jobs put them on the front line of leak detection. Smart water use saves money. A single dripping tap can waste up to 2,000 litres of water each month, while a tap left running can waste up to 216,000 litres or $700 per month.
The hotel has been always looking at ways and means of making the building efficient. The initial installation was putting submeters in. By putting submeters in, we were able to identify where the actual water is going to start a savings program. From there, we started installing the high efficiency shower heads, restriction on wash hand basins, kitchens, a water reclaiming system in the laundry, and most of all, the engagement of staff, because at the end of the day, it is people that can make the difference.
Waterless urinals, vandal-proof taps around the place, more of a preventative maintenance program when it came to, watchful eye on leaking taps. I think we saved in excess of about 24,000 litres or about 24 megalitres per annum, or about a $40,000 annual saving.
With all the initiatives that we have put in place, we have saved approximately 40% of our water consumption.
Guest rooms use up about half of all the water in hotels. However, savings of up to 20% are possible without any compromise to guest comfort.
The hotel has an excellent system in reporting any maintenance problems. But most of the leaks do take place in guest rooms. So as soon as the leak is detected, the housekeeper can pick up the phone and actually punch in a few codes and report the problem straight away. That goes straight onto the maintenance man's pager, and he acts as soon as possible, to sort the problem out.
Kitchens are big users of water, but there are many savings to be made even in the busiest food prep areas. Install low flow taps or retrofit your existing taps to run at 9 litres a minute for kitchen use. Sydney Water's Every Drop Counts business program is offering to replace your existing pre-rinse spray valve with a 6-star rated Smart Rinse valve for free. Smart Rinse valves use a high pressure fan action, reducing water use by 50%. Contact Sydney Water to find out more about having the Smart Rinse spray valve installed in your kitchen. Another water efficient device for your kitchen is this, the waterless wok stove. Now, traditional wok stoves are cooled using enormous amounts of water poured over its surface to transfer the heat. However, the new waterless wok stoves are designed to be cooled using convection air. They also have knee-operated spout valves. A waterless wok stove like this can save over 6,000 litres of water a day, which equates to more than $5,000 a year, which more than offsets the cost of installation. That smells good. Contact the Ethnic Community Council for more information. It's good practice to consider how efficient each piece of equipment actually is. Dishwashers and glass washers can be guzzling water if they're poorly maintained.
When we do the washing, we try to do the wash in a full runs, not like we have got half the tray full and get it washed. In that way, more water is getting saved.
In-house laundries account for up to 15% of hotel water use, but there are many ways that you can help reduce this amount.
In the rooms, the guests have the option whether or not we change their sheets and toweling. With that, the benefits we get here as the hotel is we have a 40% saving on the actual linen we use overall for the last year, which then equates to where we use 11 litres per kilo to wash. It gives us substantial savings.
Good maintenance is the key to reducing water use, and there are lots of simple things you can do with big commercial machines, including final rinse reuse systems. Consider upgrading to lower water use machines. And don't forget to inspect your steam systems regularly so you aren't wasting steam.
All of us here in the laundry try and make sure that we report all leaks, whether it be steam or water. Many reasons. One is the savings of it. Two is our machines aren't efficient and we just create more work for ourselves.
For more information, check the Sydney Water website. Leaking toilets, urinals and basins can account for a massive waste of water. So focusing on bathrooms is an easy way to get efficient. Sydney Water recommends dual flush toilets with a 3 litre and 4.5 litre flush. Automatic or cyclic flushing urinals should be replaced immediately with sensor-operated flushing mechanisms. This can save up to $3,000 per year for each cistern and a 75% reduction in water waste. And the great thing is that the cost of conversion is typically recovered in less than 6 months. Regular maintenance is the key to reduced water leaks. Toilet cistern seals should be changed every 2 years.
Regular maintenance is in terms of leaks, is water conservation on a large scale. Every day at the club, the people who are in and out of bathrooms every day, whether it be the cleaners or myself, report regular leaks. We have plumbers that come on site whenever we call them.
Regular maintenance is important because if you don't do anything about it, it's only going to get worse. We were in excess of 50 megalitres per annum, and we really did sort of halve our water usage in a year's period, so it worked quite well.
Reducing the flow of taps can make big reductions. Some hand basins need only flow at 1.9 litres per minute. Taps should only need to be turned off lightly, and washers should be changed as soon as a leak is identified.
To report leaks is like 3 easy steps. You see it, you report it, and the next step is getting fixed.
We have identified that tap washers in guest rooms have a life expectancy of about 3 years, and we just go and do a bulk change of tap washers. And this has the added benefits of customers not detecting tripping taps, reactive maintenance, where a person has to drop everything and run to go and fix problems, and also saving money.
Well, reporting leaks saves water. Saving water saves money.
As employees, you may be asked to participate in a water efficiency or a sustainability group, looking at all aspects of energy and water saving. Most importantly, be on the lookout for leaks and report any ones you find. There are so many things that can be done to use water more efficiently. Try brainstorming ideas among all staff. You can reduce water use immediately just by eliminating leaks. You can get more information at sydneywater.com.au.